Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every sound tech or event supplier should know. What's the real advantage of using a Soundcraft Ui16 digital mixer compared to a traditional analog mixer? Both mixers do the same main job. They blend multiple audio sources into one great mix. But the way they do it is completely different. Wireless control and flexibility. With the UI16, you can control everything wirelessly, from your phone, tablet, or laptop. No need to stay beside the mixer all night. You can walk around the venue, hear the actual sound from the audience's perspective, and make real-time adjustments. That's something analog mixers simply can't do. Built-in effects and processors. Inside this small box, you already get professional-grade tools. EQ, compressor, noise gate, reverb, delay, even DBX and lexicon effects. With analog mixers, you'd need to carry extra rack gear just to get those same effects. Digital mixers like the UI16 keep it all built in and ready to use. Scene and snapshot recall. One of the biggest time savers, scene recall. You can save your perfect settings for each event and recall them anytime. So if you're handling multiple gigs or repeating setups, just load your scene and you're ready to go. No more readjusting every knob from scratch like in analog. Compact and space saving. Look at this size difference. The UI16 gives you tons of power in a small box. No heavy mixer, no big rack of effects, perfect for mobile sound systems or live events where space and speed matter. Advanced routing and recording options. You can easily record your mix directly to a USB drive or customize each monitor mix, perfect for bands who want their own sound on stage. Routing flexibility like this would need a huge analog board to match. But wait! Digital isn't perfect. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. Digital mixers can be more complex. You'll need to learn the menus and routing. And since it runs on Wi-Fi, make sure your connection is stable. Analog mixers are still great if you just need that direct, hands-on control or if your setup is simple. Final thoughts. So to sum it up, if you're doing live gigs, multiple setups, or want wireless control and powerful built-in processing, the Soundcraft Ui16 is an absolute game changer. But if you just need quick plug-and-play mixing for smaller setups, an analog mixer might still be your best friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, leave a comment, helping me to grow my page, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you and God bless.